First of all, I would like to show my high respect to Mr. Chon Stapana, a principal of Stapana International School, Deputy Director, Honorable Judges, teacher, contestant, and all my beloved friends who are present here today. Before beginning of the presentation, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Phen Youee, I'm 12 years old, and I'm on ESL level 2A contestant of Stapana International School, Campus 1, Switzerland. In this special moment, I'm so pleased to be here again for the final round of the English speaking contest program season 9 to share with all of you guys, which is about what are the factors that can make our children to excel. In this occasion, please kindly forgive me to all my mistakes that may occur during presentation. So this time, I would like to start my presentation. First, heredity. Heredity is an integral part of helping students excel. Obviously, we see that some students do not study hard, but they learn better than other students who try to learn. Looking back at their family, they see that their siblings are all excellent learners. Therefore, if students have a good pedigree, it can make them learn faster. And if the teacher has a better teaching method, it is harder and better. Second, teachers. Teachers are an integral part of helping students excel. If teachers do not pay attention or do not have good teaching methods, students will not be able to accept knowledge from teachers. In my experience, when teachers have good art or teaching method, most of their students are good. However, not all teachers have good teaching method or students are good. It depends on the student learning effort. Third, students themselves. Means that in order to excel, students must pay high attention to study, especially how to struggle to spend time on study, overcome obstacles, set goals, and have high commitment to study well. On the other hand, students must understand the value of study, because if we understand that study can help lead our lives better and help a bright future to the future, we will have the energy to study. Fourth, friends. In addition to striving to learn on their own, students should also be able to associate with friends as learners. Associating with friends who have their study progress. Students need to associate with friends who are better at learning, friends who like to study, and so on. If we make friends who love learning or good friends, we will become the student who love learning or are good student like them. Why? Because when we work with them, we can take them as a special example. If we have questions or lessons do not understand, we can ask our friend to explain more. Fifth, the family. Parents or guardians of students are also very important in contributing to make the children good students. That is, they can contribute to make the children learn well by paying attention to their children learning, monitoring their children, providing comfort to their children, especially by participating in encouraging their children. Make an effort to learn as well as through cooperation with school and teachers to find good way to explain to guide the children to understand the importance of learning and so on. Say, the surrounding society. In addition to the above 5 factors, the surrounding society is also an important factor in helping students to excel, even if the family life is prosperous. If they live in a gloomy society or in a poor area where there are no students or students at a low level, students will not excel. Conversely, if you live in an area where you have a safe area or area full of learners, students will excel. So right now, my presentation has come to the end. Before finishing, I would like to apologize for my mistake during presentation. Thank you so much.